Ngasi Parliament mifamda Rajya Sabagi MP Leishemba Sanajaoba National Sports University ki semgat sagatpagi thabak henna yengsinbinaba Bharat lengaki pukning yengsinkhre hiramasi matangda pukhatladuna Leishemba Sanajaoba hai sana khonabagi lamda Manipur na lauriba thongdangbo masak khangbiraduna Bharat Sarkar na Manipur da National Sports University ase semgat kirakhibane masi Bharat ki oinasu ahanbane Bharat ki Prime Minister na hokiba lisingani taratareta NSU ki bill puthokduna Lisingani Tarani Panda Bill ase ekoina Parliament da pass tawkiba asigidamak Manipur gi miyamna apenba phongdokna khibane Imphal West ki Kautrukta University ase sanabagi lampiraba matung semgat sagatpagi thabak chatharakhiba ase yamna taptharakhre masi maram kaya leramba yai adubu miyam gi apamba khangbiraga upay ama thiduna thabak makha chathabiyu hainasu phongdokhi
Sir, by 0 hour, subject is demand to expedite the ongoing infrastructural works for National Sports University in Manipur. Sir, in recognition of Manipur's contribution in games and sport, the government of India has taken a historic decision for the establishment of a National Sports University at world-class standard in Manipur. Sir, this will be the first of its kind in the nation. For this, the people of Manipur are very grateful to our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji for introducing a bill for National Sports University in 2017 and then passed the bill as an act in 2018 in the Parliament. However, after getting adequate lands for construction at Kautruk, a village in Imphal West District, Manipur, the progress of infrastructural construction and other related works are very slow. Sir, there may be many reasons for this delay, but it should be expedited at any cost in the interest of our sportspersons across the nation. So, I humbly urge the Union Government and the concerned Ministry to expedite the ongoing infrastructural work of National Sports University so that it may be fully functional at the earliest.